How to check and change tap seals. Difficulty level 1 hammer. There's no point in trying to over-tighten a tap which drips, even when it has been turned off. You need to replace the worn-out seals, which is very easy indeed. You will need some new seals and a tub of petroleum jelly. You will need a Phillips screwdriver and a small flat screwdriver, an adjustable spanner and reseating tool. Turn off the water and remove the indicator on top of the tap. Undo the screw and remove the handle. Loosen the gland nut and take the tap out. Check and, if necessary, remove the seat washer by prizing it off with the blade of a screwdriver. Replace it with a new seat washer. If the leak continues, you probably have limescale on the seat of the tap. Run the tip of your finger around the seat. To clean the limescale, use a reseating tool. It comes with several grinder sizes. Choose the right diameter for your tap. Place the reseating tool against the thread of the tap and push down to make the grinder touch the seat of the tap. Turn the knob anti-clockwise a few times while pressing down on it. 2 or 3 turns should be enough. Check the condition of the waterproof seal at the top of the tap and replace it if necessary. Screw the tap head in. Put the tap body back in place and tighten the screw. Then push the plastic cap on. An outside garden tap may be repaired in the same way. Turn off the water, unscrew the body of the tap, and remove it. Remove the waterproof seal, which should be replaced when you put the tap back. Remove the seat washer from its brass fitting. If the seal appears to be in good condition but scored, you just need to turn it over to use the other side of the seal. Otherwise, replace it with a new one. Push down firmly to fix it in place. Smear petroleum jelly along the spindle of the tap, and then reassemble the unit with a new waterproof seal. Quite a few shut-off valves are designed in the same way, with a seat washer. Just turn the water back on to see if your repair work has worked. A simple piece of do-it-yourself will save you having to pay for repairs.